Today's video is about the most popular vehicle of Pakistan, known by the name of Kia Sportage. It is the highest selling vehicle in this category in Pakistan as a SUV, compact SUV or crossover SUV. It's called crossover because it's a unibody construction. That means it does not have a ladder chassis like the Land Cruiser or Prado or Fortuner, but rather it has a chassis that is shaped like a car that makes it very comfortable to ride, and also it has all the features of sports utility vehicle SUV. So this variant was introduced by Kia Motors Pakistan. Currently it is being assembled in Pakistan and it is providing a lot of features, and around 25,000 Kias has been sold as Sportage in just a matter of less than 2 years. Kia has taken the Pakistan by the storm. Now it is the second highest selling brand after Toyota and Suzuki. So it's the third highest brand rather than second. It's third rather than second. Kia Sportage is world famous as it's number 2 globally in sales and quality. So in Pakistan it has also kept its quality very high. It is found in 3 variants. One is the all-wheel drive version, which has a computer control all-wheel drive option. The second is only 2-wheel drive option with the front wheel, and the third one is the Kia Sportage Alpha, which does not have a panoramic sunroof. All 3 of the Kia Sportage are packed with features, and they provide all the features almost the same apart from 1 or 2 difference, which is a good thing because Kia never disappoints its customers. Unlike the other brand, which has a lot of variation between the lower trim and the higher trim, Kia does not have a lot of variation. So I had the opportunity to visit Kia Motor Khyber in Peshawar and met Mr. Faisal Khan for a visit of Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage gave a premium look. It had auto parking brake, diff locks, as well as rear AC vents. There was a multimedia with LCD display, and the steering was very plush and soft to touch. The multimedia also had Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. The climate control was dual zone with separate controls for the left and the right side. There was controls on the steering with which you can control the multimedia on the left, and on the right there were controls for cruise control as well as controls for the computer, automatic trip computer. So you can control all these actions from the right side of the steering wheel. The back view mirror was auto dimming, that if light falls on it, it automatically controls the intensity that you will see in the rear view mirror. Both the left and right mirrors were self-retracting and self-heating. The climate control is fully automatic. You set the temperature and it will do the rest. It also has an N95 filter incorporated, so that when the air comes from outside, it filters it, and the 95% of the particulate material is removed, and then you have a fresh air inside, which is a handy feature because your AC vents and other things would not get dirty. The speedometer was Optitronic, and in the middle was a small LED display which shows the different functions while you change switches from the steering. The central display was about 4.5 inch. It was in black and white, but it looks very nice, and you can change the intensity of the speedometer from a button on the right side to brightness or less brightness as you desire. This also changes the brightness of the LED display of the multimedia. Overall, Kia Sportage speaks of very high premium quality. In the top trim, there is a leather seats perforated, and the middle front wheel drive version and the Alpha, the seats are fabric. They're also very comfortable and very high class premium. The gear lever is very beautiful, personally my favorite, and it has displays in the red for the different gear selections. There are two coffee mug holders. There is an armrest for the driver to sit comfortably. In the glove box, there is an illumination light. In the center console, there is a place where you can put your mobile phones and different stuff if you want to store it. The key is smart key. So if you have the key in your pocket, you can just start the car with the push of a button. The key also has a button for the rear tailgate to open. On the rear tailgate has an auto function that if you are in proximity, it will also open. There was a V Smart ashtray given, which you can put it in the coffee mug holder. The auto hill descent and the auto hold control, which was given in the all-wheel drive version and the front-wheel drive version, this automatically brakes the vehicle if you are on a hill or you are on an elevated surface and there is a danger of the car slipping. It will automatically stop it. So if you put the gear shift in drive and drive away, the auto gear hold will automatically disengage and the car will start moving. Apart from all these features, there is a vehicle stability system, ABS brakes, and EBD, electronic brake distribution, is also present in Kia Sportage. On the roof you can see two reading lights, one for the right driver and one for the left passenger. There is a holder for specs, and beside it is the button for opening and closing the panoramic sunroof. The panoramic sunroof just opens with a click of a button, and it goes right up to the back and provides overall view of the sky. You can also open it up partially, 50%, so you can enjoy the fresh air if you want. On the sun visor there is a vanity mirror, and also there is a light provided. Same on the passenger side, there is a mirror and there is a vanity light provided. So both sides have the same features. Pretty cool from Kia. The dashboard has a soft padding, leatherish. Same soft padding was also found on the side doors all around. The multimedia touch system was pretty brisk and very easy to respond, unlike some Chinese brands whose multimedia are not very brisk and they do not respond very efficiently. But hats off to Kia to provide a very high quality multimedia, and the sound quality is pretty good. Bose with 6 speaker system, 4 in the doors and 1 in the front area. So there are 6 speaker system, and the sound quality is pretty nice. The AC vents at the back give comfortable air to the back passengers, and the driver seat also has automatic touch control settings which can automatically adjust the seat. At the back, the door can open with the proximity if you have the key in your pocket, and if you go away it automatically shuts down. So in Pakistani assembled vehicles, Kia has the best options available for the public, because now the public can have all the premium features they wished for, which were not available in the big three like the Toyota, Honda and the Suzuki, which were providing substandard cars with absolutely zero safety features, no airbags. Kia Sportage has, although dual airbags, I hope it comes with the 6 airbag option which it provides internationally, because in the previous big 3 manufacturers, Toyota, Honda and Suzuki, had totally neglected the safety of the passengers. Now the game has changed. Safety is now not compromised. The dual front airbag is for the driver and the passenger, so there are actually no side airbags, so there is still a chance of it's not safe from the sides, like if one has a side impact. Because of the absence of the side airbags, it's still dangerous, and I hope Pakistan government implements these safety options so that people's lives can be saved. So this was the review of the all-wheel drive option, and the cooling of air conditioning was also very quick and brisk, and I really liked all the features and the stylish option Kia Sportage offered. Here is the spec sheet of the all three versions, which you can observe by pausing it and see what options you don't want to miss and which one you want to select. I hope you liked my video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to come for more such videos. Thank you very much for watching my wonderful video. Take care. Goodbye.